Green Bean Casserole, a great way to get lots of veggies during your Thanksgiving meal. Heat the pan to about medium heat and pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once your oil's hot, pour in half a diced yellow onion. It should sizzle but not scorch. Add 8 ounces sliced mushrooms. Any type will do. Get creative.
Fresh mushrooms may have greater nutrient density and a better flavor and texture profile.
Pour 3 cups chicken broth into your pot and bring to a boil. This is to flavor your green beans. Pour 24 ounces of trimmed and halved fresh green beans into your bubbly broth. When your mushrooms have cooked down and your onions are translucent, it's time to add your can of cream of mushroom soup.
Trying to cut fat? Sub with the fat-free option.
Combine your strained green beans and your mushrooms. Yum, it's looking so good. Next step, pour it in your greased pan. Sprinkle a thin layer of cheese on top for a nice ooey gooey melty layer. Bake at 350 for 20 minutes. All right, it smells so good. It's time to take this out of the oven, add some crispy cheese wisps for that added crunch. And then we get to dig in. This looks so good. What a tasty and nutritious, healthy holiday treat.